are digital agencies more effective than working with specialists? I think that's. I mean, I guess what type. It depends on what type of specialists you work with. Because if you're trying to hire, because here's what I think about it. Especially with our digital agency, like we, it's not just like a generalist. Like we have specific people who are good at their craft that can do it really well. Like Noelle I know she's going to be filming a documentary and she's going to be editing it. And we have a team of social media marketers that are really good at reviewing the data, putting together a plan, and executing for the client. So I think a digital marketing agency is really a team of specialists that work together to really benefit the client. And the main thing that we want to do with us is, in terms of the social media marketing end, is we want it to be ridiculously easy and simple to the point where it's like forgettable for our clients, because a lot of the clients that we work with struggle with it and they're just trying to figure it out. And what we want to do is make it so it's like, here's what you got to look through, approve it, give notes, whatever you got to do, and then we just go about your day and we go about ours and continue executing for you guys. So that's like what I think. Like digital marketing agencies is a group of specialists. If you're talking about social media marketers who can do both, graphic design, videographers, that's like more of a generalist instead of a specialist. Like a specialist, how I'm defining this is like someone who's really good at video, someone who's really good at social media, someone who's really good at graphic design. So and digital agencies are just that. Group of specialists working together for a common goal.